Well, the 2025 zucchini and cucumber harvest has begun. It's the other garden on July 13th, just a bit of an update. As you can see, I'm getting some production out of both my yellow and the green zucchinis, and here are my cucumbers. They're doing quite well, although I'm seeing some pressure from cucumber beetles. That's still good. So I'm in attack mode, trying to catch them. We'll see how that goes. I've never tried it before, so far I haven't got one too fast. Here are the brandywines, and looking at those, I don't know, a few weeks, hard to say. Seems like it takes an eternity. Here are the Abruzzi, or grandma throwing tomatoes. And what's interesting is on the second plant here, none of the tomatoes that are developing are showing the pear shape. So it could be a plant last year that a bee cross-pollinated the one plant with pollen from another plant. It's a possibility it happens. So that means I would have some sort of hybrid, which would be interesting. I'll save some seeds from it and try it next year and see what I get. Here are the Rosella purples. They're doing good. Some peppers that I planted right beneath the straw bale, and it is getting the nutrient runoff and moisture from the straw bale. And I've got some high hopes for some good production. These are shepherd peppers, so these are the long, skinny ones, those sweet ones that you see in the grocery store that are usually just kind of a once a year type thing. In between that straw bale is a cantaloupe, so hoping to see some good production from that. There again, it's getting the nutrient runoff, plus the moistures, or the roots are sitting in some good moisture, so I understand they like that. I've got some good hot peppers. These are the Scotch bonnets, and these are the mystery. They're supposed to be bell peppers, but I'll leave it to burpee. There's some celery I got last minute. It seems to be doing okay. I got it last minute for almost free. Saw them giving it away, and I thought, that's right, I had some space. These are acorn squash, which seems to be doing okay. One bean, which we'll see how it goes. If you recall, the squirrels were eating the bean seeds after I planted them, couldn't figure it out. So I just gave up planting. My beets seem to be doing really well. And I think next week I'll have some beets for dinner. I've already been eating the tops. This is a crazy old sage plant. I keep cutting back, and if you could smell the aroma there, or perfume, or whatever you call it. Delicious. Here are the leeks. Now I keep on burying the stems, adding soil to the base so I can blanch the roots, and that way we'll end up with leeks that have a lot of the white, which is preferred. And if you go to the grocery store and you see the French leeks, that's what the French do, is they bury the stems just to increase the blanch. And those are the pricey ones, so might as well take advantage of it. In my onion patch, they seem to be bulbing out nicely. I've got Walla Walla onions, which are a nice sweet onion, as well as a red onion. Planted a combo this year. here is my second brassica planting. These are cauliflower. So hopefully they survive this hot spell and they don't go to seed. There again, I got them. It's a bit of an experiment. When I was at the garden center, they were basically giving these away. And I thought I want to do a fall planting, which I've got lots of seeds planted. They're all little seedlings right now. But I thought I'll give these a try. Why not? This is my lettuce patch as well as some Swiss chard. But this is called a Batavia Nevada lettuce. And this is noted for being fairly heat tolerant. I had some last night. It was fabulous. So I'm going to be harvesting this, and I've already got some more romaine planted up there. And as you can see, the Swiss chard has been picked. I've been eating that a fair bit. A couple of romaine, which that's always good. They're forming some nice heads. And they can handle the heat, so I don't mind so much. And this one's getting a nice head. And inside is where the sweet leaves are. And there, that one's kind of going to bolt. That's just some sort of leaf louse. And some seedlings are coming up. This is a squash, or a summer squash, a zucchini plant growing right underneath a square bale that is full of bugs, as well as sweet potatoes. So all the nutrient runoff feeds down into the roots here. And these leaves are, I've never seen leaves like this from a zucchini. It's just amazing. And then some butternut squash over here, which I kind of purposely planted them a little bit close so the leaves from the zucchini shield the ground and keep the moisture in the root system here with the squash. So that's kind of my thinking. Hopefully it doesn't get too chaotic. And this is an interesting planting I did. There's only one plant here, one root, and they put out these side stems. People call them suckers as well. So I've grown a few side stems out, and I'm going to be growing it up 3 different supports. They're about a foot apart, so I'll just let them grow up. It's almost like having 3 plants. Makes me wonder why I plant as many as I do. I may as well let the suckers feed out and just provide support for them. There you go. That's the update.